In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a message on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you're signed into your chess.com profile, and after that, to be able to send a message to someone, first of all we need to get to their chess.com profile, just like that. Once you are at someone's profile, right here, you can easily find that message button. You can just click on it, and then in that way, enter your text and click at send. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.